All right, everybody, today is the big day. The garage is got ceiling, it's got a mini split, it's got a floor, and now it's time to move everything in. So let's just appreciate the garage for all the openness that it currently has, because it ain't gonna last after today. So yeah, today's the day that we're actually gonna have everything here in the garage. Finally, it's finally gonna be moved to here. I've got all the guys meeting me at my old house soon. Luke's gonna come here because we're gonna basically rent a Uhaul truck, try to put everything into it and drive it back here. I'm really hoping that we can get everything in one fatal swoop. So hopefully that ends up happening. We're gonna try to take you guys along with it. And Lord God, I hope this Echo gets done after today. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully everything ends up good. We're about to find out. Today's move day. Let's move a freaking garage. Hit that like button down below for us being so freaking close to getting this garage moved to the new house. I am so ready and not ready. I want this to go away so bad. All right, everybody, our 15-foot U-Haul is here at the old house, and we have to fit this into it. So
put the camera down and get to work, damn it!
I got a GoPro that I'm gonna do a time lapse on. So clearly I'm in trouble already. So we'll see how this goes. All right, my dudes, check that out. Totally empty garage, mostly. I gotta come back and clean later, which means get these lights off, get Holly head down, and obviously get the giant television off. So I'm gonna be back later, but for the video case, garage is done. And Corona. All right.
Corona.
What happened?
No. This is our expert job. I do want to give Brian credit.
Don't call it expert.
Expert job. I have to give Brian credit. You said it would take us 3 hours?
And it did not.
Took us an hour and a half, 2 hours?
Two and a half.
2.5 hours. So I do want to be official. Brian was right. Chase was wrong. I know everybody's shocked.
We only had 3.5 men doing it.
Yeah, we had 3.5 men because Luke tried to over-caffeinate himself with random pills that he still doesn't know what it was.
Weird drugs. Yeah, I like how you skirted over the responsibility for giving him drugs.
I didn't give him anything. He stole them from the
You
new
held me down and then pinched my nose and made me fall.
There's no proof. There's no proof. All right, we're gonna order a pizza, drive to the new house, eat pizza, unload. We'll catch up there. Did I grab the GoPro? Don't let me forget the GoPro. This is what I work with.
I said you rolled it up in cheese. I couldn't help myself.
What are you, Oreo? You're right, Brian. I failed as a YouTuber. Hello, everybody. If you notice behind me, you will see lots of gentlemen and lots of things. Welcome to the new garage. We did not record putting everything in here because
Someone in the shop forgot to do it.
someone in the shop forgot to do it. No, we didn't time-lapse bringing everything in because we're exhausted. So, dude, look at the lighting. Look how good that is.
It's amazing.
Shut up.
Woohoo!
My God.
That's what you get.
All right, it is. Yeah, I asked for it. Okay, this is the end of the video. Garage is a cluster shit. We're going to do more episodes in here, making it how it's supposed to be. I think I've told you guys about the CBR 600 by now. Editing Chase, don't put this out until the 600 has been a thing. What's going on, guys? Editing Chase here with one of my random little cameras. Hopefully this stays focused and works out and everything. But so this is the end of the video. There's really no other content, and the situation with this garage and this move, on top of the COVID shit that's been going on, it has made everything super complicated. I had originally planned to take you guys along through the entire process of getting this garage ready. And to be fair, you guys have gone along through the majority of the process, like the main things, the floor, the ceiling, the mini split, and get everything moved over. From here on, there are no other videos of the garage. The garage is basically done. Like, as of right now, I'm, filming this as I'm editing this video. There are no more videos of the garage. There'll be a final video, like we'll do a walkthrough of the garage and show you guys everything, but we didn't take you guys along the process of putting the lights in, just because at this point, the guys and I are, every day that we film it is gonna hold us back from another day that we can start doing our rebuild show, you know, the Wreck Bike Rebuild garage stuff. Because filming it takes time, then you got to edit it and all this kind of stuff. And those videos, putting those out, take a lot of time. So it's a lot of bull crap. Just to let you guys know that no more videos are going to be happening in the garage other than the final one. But you guys are going to start seeing videos of the finished garage, or I guess videos with the finished garage in it. I just want to give you guys a heads up because there is going to be kind of a gap in content. You know, we are taking you guys through along every process, and then suddenly the garage is just going to be done. So I didn't want that gap to be in there. But yeah, hopefully you guys understand. I know a lot of you guys will. The garage does look freaking solid. You guys are actually going to see in a video tomorrow that I filmed in the final garage, it's like 95% there. But yeah, it's a good time. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the videos we have brought you along with the garage, and now we've actually got a place we can start filming out of, so thank God. Okay, I'm gonna throw it back to Chase in the moment, and we can finish this video up. Thank you guys for watching. Off to you, other Chase. Okay, we'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to click down below, top.
Smashity-doo. And
Oh, smashity-doo. Top link down below. Take you to Patreon, which is where we film a show and do stuff in the garage. And we give
it's a big cluster shit.
It's a big cluster shit. But hey, we build bikes like that beautiful Panigale over there. Good times. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye. Outro crew, how's it feel to be put in a cabinet and gone bye-bye? We'll see you guys on the next one.